Nature is not favoritism. Nature does not treat some people to be poor and others to be rich. Nature does not treat some people partially and others fully. Nature does not slow down the life speed of others and increase the life speed of others in the journey to success. Nature treats everyone equal, and it is a learn from known to unknown principle in which we must understand to live with. There are two circumstances nature and human interact against each other. There is strong electrostatic force of attraction that bonds human and nature together, and out of this, the outcome between human and nature is independently different and opposite to each other. The result could be either positive or negative, depending on the interactions that took place. The interaction between human and nature is like the law of magnetism. Like poles repel and unlike poles attract each other. Always, nature is neutral because it treats everyone equal. But the result you receive from nature is dependent on how you understand it. The interaction between you and nature could be positive when you think positive, and could be negative when you think negative. The two major circumstances that nature responds to human are actions and reactions. Human interactions with nature that bring positive results is our ability to take actions, and human interactions with nature that bring negative results is our reactions. The inability to think to take the right decision against nature and some situations in our lives. If you always think positive, nature acts positively towards you to bring good results in a vice versa. For example, nature and human interaction is also like the Newton's third law of motion. In every action, there is equal but opposite reaction. Action is always positive and reaction is always negative. How do we interact with nature to get positive results? This is very simple. We can get positive results by possessing the ability to think to plan. All this can be done by our greatest asset, the mind. As human beings, we must always take action in any field of our lives to succeed, rather than to react to circumstances which could bring negative results and problems. The mind is the greatest asset we have to live effectively and successfully in life. Anything under the sun which are man-made were imaginarily formed from our greatest asset. Now, what's an asset? But before I will come to the definition of asset, let me ask you this question. Everyone possesses this greatest asset, mind, naturally, right? If everyone possesses this greatest asset, naturally, and it is the powerful asset used for creating and making all man-made things, surrounded by the environment, and nature also treats everyone equal, then why do we have unsuccessful people everywhere in the world? Is it because of their economy, nationality, financial problem, or any other factors that you think it may be so? It doesn't matter any of these factors. Even research showed that many successful people came from nowhere. They were like you. Some were even poorer than you then. Does this mean they were lucky or fortunate, or even they had some shortcuts? No, they used their assets well. Now, let me take you into further details. The answer to this question is very simple. The answer to this particular question is not anything new, but something that I have mentioned earlier on. It's our actions and reactions, and successful people are always optimistically positive minded towards nature and their dreams, whilst unsuccessful people react to any circumstances they found themselves. Action is for success minded and failure is for reaction minded, although there are some actions that can lead to failure, but they are temporarily defeated circumstances which notifies the mistakes made along the journey to success. That's why sometimes some successful people also fail. There are few factors that make some people think that nature is treating them bad, and that is the environmental factor. If you are living in an environment which is not favorable to your dreams and your capabilities, all your energies that you need to divert into your talent to make everything possible for your life become dead. You have to leave your comfort zone and fight for yourself.